Hello boys and girls. Today we're going to practice how to make 9. Let's start by counting out 9 cups. You want to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. We're going to use these 9 cups to figure out the different ways we can make a 9. You ready? Good. Let's start with moving all of these over to the side. And we're going to start with 1. Let's have 1 here. How many do we have left over there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very good. 8. So now we know that 1, which is on this side, and 8, which is on this side, makes 9. Very good. 1 and 8 make 9. Well, what if we had 2 on this side? Let's bring 2 over. If we have 2 on this side, how many do we have over here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So we have 2 on this side and 7 on that side. 2 and 7 make 9. What would happen if you have 3 on this side? Let's bring another one. Here we have 3. 1, 2, 3. How many do you think are on that side? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. 3 on this side, 6 on that side. So now we know that 3 and 6 makes 9, which is all together. Now let's do the last one. What if we have 4? Let's put 4 on this side. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have 4 on this side, how many do you have on that side? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Very good. So now we know that 4 and 5 also make 9. There you go, boys and girls. Let's try one more thing. What if we were to bring 1 over here, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. How many would we have on that side? You're right. It would be the same. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 5 and 4 make 9, but 4 and 5 also make 9. So it doesn't matter even if you switch them. So that is just 4 different ways that you can make 9. Now, what I want you to do, boys and girls, is I want you to show me 4 different ways to make 9. And this is how you can do it. You get a piece of paper and you fold it 1 time, 2 times. Fold it 2 times. You open it and you've made 4 spaces. So here you have the number 9 in the middle. And in each space here, you're going to show me a different way to make 9. I've done one for you as an example. I did 2 and 7. I'm going to show you how to make 2 and 7. I draw 2 green circles and 7 blue circles. And that is how you make 9. Why don't you try it? I can't wait to see what your examples look like. See you later.